Okay, so to help you understand the accounting equation better, you will be making a flow chart by going to LucidChart.com. You'll create a new account, and after you create your account, you'll click on Documents. And I'm going to show you briefly how to create a new document. You'll go up here and click on Document. And then here you have your canvas. Over here you can add text, you can add a block, a note, a hotspot, and an arrow. And then down here you can pick on any design shape that you want for your flow chart. So let me show you really quickly what I want you to do for your accounting equation assignment. Whatever you want, just drag it out there. And I want you to title it the accounting equation. You can make your font bigger by going up here. I'll make it about 24. Drag it out. Make sure I spell it right. There we go. Perfect. And then to get started, I'm going to drag out, I want you to make the accounting equation. So over here we have our assets, and then equals. And the great thing, it'll kind of help you know where to put them. Liabilities. Plus owner's equity or stockholders' equity. They're kind of interchangeable. So now we have our accounting equation, and what I want you to do to help you better understand the equation and the functions of it, and go around to each portion of the accounting equation, the assets, liabilities, owner's equity, and anytime there appears a filled in red dot, you can click on that and it will create an arrow to draw a line from that shape. I'll click on the shape, and I want you to list off different accounts that are within the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. So we know that cash is an asset, and you can make it a little bit smaller. And we could even branch off of that, and I want you to tell me, does cash have a normal credit balance or a normal debit? And we know that it has a normal debit balance. And then I want you to finish doing that one. I've done an example for you with cash, but go on and continue doing accounts receivable and so on. With liabilities, again, you can click on the red dot. How about, I guess if I do it up here, it'll bump into the accounting equation, but you can do them from any red dot. Click on the red dot. We know that a liability account is accounts payable, which is something that you owe to another person or another company. And does that have a normal credit or normal debit balance? Has a normal credit balance. And this will really help you understand later on when we are completing a journal entry or doing T accounts, which accounts go to which side of the accounting equation, either the asset, liability, or owner's equity. Owner's equity, we have retained earnings, and that has a normal credit balance. Okay, so I've briefly shown you how to create a very simple flow chart for the accounting equation. You can design it however you'd like. I believe you can fill it in with color if you want it to be color-coded. If that will help you, do what you need to do to help you memorize and understand the accounting equation. You can design it however you'd like. I didn't show you any of the shapes, but if you want a cloud, you can bring out a cloud. To delete, you simply highlight the entire shape and click delete. You can change the direction of your arrow by dragging on that middle point. Very simple to use, and I want it to be unique to you and how you like it. It doesn't have to look like mine. In fact, I prefer it doesn't. But the most important part is that you do have, oh, don't know what I did there, that you do have the accounting equation in there correctly, and then the accounts that go for each portion of the accounting equation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. It'll be due a week from today, so I recommend getting on it. And if you want, you can work with a friend, with a partner, with a group of people, but I do want you to turn in your own.